Steve Jones with the Hardscape channel here. Seems Ted won't leave, so we've got another interview. Thanks for sticking around, Ted.
Yeah.
Listen, you know, one of the things we've been having interviews with many people in our industry, and a real focus of topic and conversation has been permeable paving, PICPs. And what does PICP stand for?
Well, it means permeable interlocking concrete pavers.
Interesting. You're a clay manufacturer. Obviously, you must not be part of this.
No, actually, we really are. And regardless of the wearing course of a permeable pavement, the system is the same. And there are a number of manufacturers that are making permeable clay pavers that are perfect for areas where you want a traditional material, but you want the advantages of a permeable system to allow the stormwater to infiltrate into the system and hopefully go back into the ground.
Well, and one of the things maybe we haven't touched on in the last couple of days as I've been doing interviews is and this is not the forum to get into the great details of it, but the proper design, the proper installation, and the unique aspects of installing open graded aggregates to get that permeability are a bit unique. And as much as we've done, ICPI has done a good job of providing the classroom presentation for understanding it, the school, our school, the School for Advanced Segmental Paving, is the only place to get a hands-on experience with permeable pavement systems, with some exception of product knowledge seminars by some manufacturers. So I think it's really important that you learn about the unique aspects of installing open graded aggregates, which is the major component of any permeable system, clay or concrete.
That's the engine that makes it all work. And we have found that we've had our permeable pavers available for about 2-3 years, and every year demand has grown, and we've actually done some very, very nice projects, again, primarily where in those areas they wanted a more traditional material, and they were thrilled to be able to have a clay product that they could put in there. And we actually have gone on the web. We have a commercial paver blog called pathwaycafe.com.
That's cute.
And most of the projects that we feature there are permeable projects.
Pathwaycafe.com.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. I haven't been there yet.
You should go, and you can see some very interesting projects. One in particular was done in Annapolis, Maryland, at their Welcome Center. It's a circular entryway drive, some parking spaces. In the wintertime, it used to flood, and then it would freeze, creating an ice rink type effect and what have you.
Not good.
They replaced it with permeable pavement systems that drainage went off into rain gardens, and about 3 months after they got the job completed, they had a 100-year storm go through Annapolis.
Wow.
And they had almost zero excellent coming out of the ultimate drainage pipes. Once it had gone through the system into the rain gardens, it had absorbed almost everything. So
amazing.
It is amazing how well these systems work, and we may find in the future that a majority of pavement systems become permeable.
Now, an interesting thing, in my opinion, from my experience with permeable pavements, there's some important components, and one of them is proper design and specification. Seems to be still an issue in some places. Always refer back to the industry information for proper design and specifications. Don't take the battle on yourself. Go to Interlocking Concrete Pavement Institute and get the help. The other thing is proper understanding of the installation of the materials, which is unique, as I said earlier. So understand the system, understand the materials, and understand your needs as a contractor on how to install those. And those materials are unique. It isn't just the same old thing. And then I would say probably less important, and unfortunately, in my opinion, I mean, whether it's concrete or clay, quality product is critical. But that's usually out of the hands of the contractor on a big project. On a small project, you always have the ultimate decision on what to offer your customer. And again, I can only stress, buy the best, install the best.
Exactly. Steve,
Thanks.
always great to see you.